Hello everyone, you're watching PHYSIOCLASSROOM channel, and in this video I'm going to share with you all two of the most important PRRT home exercises that can be utilized by the patients to improve their hamstring flexibility. Now we all know that tight hamstrings can lead to a variety of problems, including from back pains, hip problems, SI joint dysfunctions, as well as because of the tightness in the posterior fascia, people can also develop conditions such as cramps in the lower limbs, calf pain, heel pain, plantar fasciitis, and so on. So in this video, let's learn with two practical demonstrations about the most effective PRRT home exercises, which we often prescribe to the patients after treating them for the hamstring tightness. Now, before I start demonstrating the two techniques or the exercises, I would highly recommend that if you are a physiotherapy student or a practitioner, or if you are a patient, or you are just casually watching this video, you are a sports person and you want to improve your hamstring length, just while watching this video, just see how far can you reach forward. And the way that you are going to test yourself is you're going to keep your hands on the thighs and you're going to slide your hands down and see how far you can reach for your legs. Is it possible for you to touch your knees, your shin, or your ankle, or you can even touch the floor? Now, once we have tested our hamstring length, the first exercise that we are going to attempt is called as the repeated hip extension exercise against resistance. And we are going to use a TheraBand or a resistance band to perform this exercise. So all you need to do is anchor your resistance band and then just loop the band around your ankle and then just stand with slightly leaning forward and start doing repeated hip extension motions. So what you need to do here is you have to ensure that the band has sufficient tension in it. So after you have looped the band, just walk casually backwards so that the band is sufficiently stretched. Now from here, start performing mid-range hip extension motions and perform at least 20 to 30 such repetitions. And then you do the same exercise for the other leg. And this has to be repeated in 2 sets. So 30 repetitions and 2 sets for each leg. After you have performed this first exercise, now it's the time to perform the second self-correction exercise. To perform this, all you need to do is you have to just have a stool in front of you, a low stool, and then you just place 1, 2, or 3 pillows depending on how tight your hamstrings are. Make a fist, engage your core muscles, and breathe out as you go downwards. And when you reach downwards, the pillow height should be such that you can easily push down into the pillow using your fist with minimal discomfort in your posterior hamstring and fascia. Now repeat that pushing into the pillow motion at the end range and perform that for good 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, just see if you can push the same pillow again, but this time you have to remove one pillow so that you are reaching for more depth. And then repeat the same exercise again, and this time while reaching more deeper and pressing the pillow again in the end range, push, relax, push, relax without losing the contact from the pillow for 30 seconds. And then again retest your hamstring length, and you will be amazed to see the improvement that you will be having in your hamstring length without torturing it and without sustaining or perceiving any abnormal pain in your hamstrings. Also, it is important to note that you need to take advice from a competent physiotherapist and get assessed completely before trying these two exercises. I will be eagerly waiting for your feedback to know how effective these two exercises were in improving your hamstring length. And even better, you can also post us the pre and post hamstring length pictures or video if you want on our email physioclassroom@gmail.com. So see you all in our next video. Till then, keep learning, keep sharing, and stay connected.